Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, unlock the phone and confirm it has a few percent charge so it won't cut out. Open settings and go straight to battery or power. Once there, locate battery saver or low power mode. You'll see if it's on, off, or scheduled. Tap that entry to reveal controls. Make sure to note whether it's set to automatic at a specific percentage, because that will affect the steps you take next and why disabling manually sometimes only lasts until the threshold. Now you flip the toggle to off and observe. Performance should return and background syncing may resume. Once done, open the scheduling options and disable automatic activation. Otherwise, it will re-enable at a set percentage like 15%. Make sure to check Quick Settings or Control Center. You can add or remove the battery saver tile for one-tap access. If you want this change to persist, also inspect adaptive battery or power management settings because they can override manual switches in some systems. Finish by verifying the setting reads off and no schedule is active. That ensures it won't re-enable unexpectedly. If the toggle refuses to change, restart the device. A reboot often clears temporary permissions or service locks and lets you switch it. If problems persist, inspect third-party power-saving apps, device profiles, or corporate management policies that can force battery saver on. Disable or adjust those controls. One quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.